Well, even as the Himachal name board row continues to escalate, top Congress sources have now told CNN News 18 that one more Himachal minister, Dhaniram Shandil, has come out in support of Vikramaditya's decision. Sources have said that Vikramaditya has said that he follows party line, but he is actually respecting Supreme Court's decision and is keeping people's sentiment in mind as well. And he said that it is equally important. Now listen in to the BJP's reaction on Himachal name board row.
कांग्रेस पार्टी में हिमाचल में दो फाड़ होती नजर आ रही है और इस बार केवल सुक्खू बनाम विक्रमादित्य या सुक्खू बनाम प्रतिभा सिंह जी नहीं है। इस बार राहुल वर्सेस प्रियंका नजर आ रहा है साफ साफ। जैसे ही विक्रमादित्य सिंह जी ने, जो वीरभद्र सिंह के बेटे हैं, उन्होंने योगी मॉडल, उत्तर प्रदेश के मॉडल को सराहा और उसे हिमाचल में लागू करने की बात की, तो जो ही कांग्रेस जो इसको सांप्रदायिक कह रही थी वो फंस गई और कांग्रेस पार्टी ने लगातार राहुल गांधी के कैंप से एक के बाद एक बयान विक्रमादित्य जी पर देना शुरू कर दिया और धनीराम शांडिल ने भी समर्थन कर दिया है विक्रमादित्य जी का और कहा है कि मैं भी इस कदम के पक्ष में हूं। मतलब कि राहुल गांधी कैंप से लगातार फटकार लगने के बाद भी प्रियंका कैंप जो है वो सीधे सीधे कह रहा है कि हम तो अपनी बातों पर अडिग रहेंगे।
CNN News 18 senior editor Pallavi Ghosh is joining us on the broadcast. Pallavi, a very good morning to you. Very correctly highlighted by BJP Shehzad Poonawalla over there that Congress is now stuck. What exactly are the top brass saying? Because they, very vocally opposed that diktat that came in from Uttar Pradesh's chief minister, but now their own party member is saying to do the same.
And the divide within the Himachal Congress becomes very, very apparent, Sakshi, because on one hand, what is good for the state politics may not be considered good for the national narrative of the Congress party. I think the problem arose because this decision or announcement was made within 24 hours of a similar announcement being made by the Yogi government, which was criticized by the Congress. And then the BJP latched on by saying, look at the Congress party, they are doing pretty much the same and look at their double standards. So when Vikramaditya Singh was called in yesterday, he was actually pulled up. And what he also said is that we have to understand that this is one, a Supreme Court guideline. And second is we have to understand the sentiments of the locals who feel that there are people who are coming in from outside and they are getting their lion's share. We need to know and they need to be registered. But this, of course, has not gone down well with the Congress top leadership. And as he pointed out, Dhaniram Shandil, who's also an MLA, health minister from Solan, he also has supported Vikramaditya Singh's decision. This is clearly a divide which is now taking place within the Himachal government as well and between the state as well as the Congress leaders of the sector.